Want to know the best golden milk recipe for the fall season? Then let's get it. To a bowl, add 2 cups of organic coconut milk powder, quarter cup of organic coconut palm sugar, quarter cup of organic turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of organic Ceylon cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons of organic ginger powder, a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt, teaspoon of black peppercorn powder, teaspoon of organic cardamom powder, teaspoon of organic clove powder, tablespoon of organic ashwagandha root powder, and 2 tablespoons of organic 7 mushroom blend of lion's mane, cordyceps, chaga, turkey tail, shiitake, maitake, and red reishi. And you want to give this a good mix until you come to a fine powder. And at that point, you can add this into containers until you are ready to enjoy the best golden milk you've ever had. And how I like to enjoy my golden milk is I like to add about 2 tablespoons to my mug. I like to add some cashew cream. I do have a video coming out for that recipe, so delicious. Then I'll go ahead and add some hot homemade Jamaican sea moss infused almond milk and give that a stir. And I'm ready to enjoy the best golden milk of the fall season.